Welcome to our third class, and today we're going to talk about business model. What I'm going to show to you guys are the 6 most common business model, but we're going to focus in these 4 here. Probably you're not going to need to use those 2 types here, but I'm going to pass through with you guys just so you can guys know. And our goal again is to fill out this one-page model canvas. And again, this is from Wes Bush from this book here, and I really recommend you to buy this book if you want to go there. But pretty much for now, you can start scanning this QR code to get access to this canvas right here. Okay, so first thing is what we're gonna, let me go first through the type of business model, and then we can go through I'm gonna show you the storebuild.ai one-page model canvas, and you can do the same for your SaaS as well. So actually the 3 most common ones business model are free trial, usage-based billing, and freemium. Let's go first over free trial. Pretty much the idea is you're gonna give the user some time to use your product for free. So let's say Shopify, for example, they give you 3-day free trial. I think Netflix give you like a 30-day free trial. And there is 2 types of free trials. The first one is what we call opt-in free trial, that you don't need, so your user do not need to pass their credit card. This is the most common one. So they will just enter, they will make a sign up, they will start using your product, and you need to find out which one is the best. So if you're gonna give them 7 days, if you're gonna give them 3 days, if you're gonna give them 14 days, 30 days, you can test a lot as well. But in the opt-in case, you do not ask them to add their credit card to start testing the product. They just need to add a credit card after their trial expired. The second type is opt-out free trial. That the difference is pretty much that for start using the product, you're gonna ask them to add their credit card. So this will be a mandatory step. And it will depend a lot, and I really recommend you to test this. So the first thing is what we're gonna define in the end of this business, in this one-page model canvas, is which one will be the best for you. The second one is a user-based free trial. That is pretty much what storebuild.ai is, and pretty much what $1 is as well. I love this model, and I think this is the future as well. But again, don't worry about this. Don't worry about which model you're gonna use, because especially with $1, I'm gonna show you that will be easy to experiment which one will be the best for you. But pretty much the idea of the usage based free trial is that you're gonna give the user access, and based on their usage, they're gonna have to pay more or pay less. So for example, in $1 AI, if you only consume like 30 credits per month, you're gonna be in the lowest plan. If you consume like 100 credits per month, you're gonna be in the highest plan. So it is a plan that is based on the usage, on the user usage, as the name is saying. And the third one is the freemium model. That is pretty much your SaaS always will have a free version of it. So for example, Zendrop, it is on this, so you can use the platform always for free. And if you want more features, you will have to pay for that. This is a very delicate model, because you really need to understand which features your users are okay to pay for, because what can happen is your users can be forever in your free version and they will never upgrade, or the opposite, they want you, the beginners one don't want to upgrade yet, but since they need that feature as a beginner outcome, it will be difficult for them to upgrade right in the beginning, because this specifically feature is in your paid plan. So this is a delicate model as well. The other 2 is pretty much a new product. We have one, in storebuild.ai. For example, in our case, we are user-based free trial, but we also created a new product that is our premium theme store that we charge $97 one-time free, one-time charge. And this is some case, for example, just an upsell that you can add in your SaaS as well. And a sandbox, those are usually more for enterprise. That what's gonna happen is you're gonna give them a tour into your product. Usually they're gonna have to schedule a trial. You know that those platforms that you need to schedule, those are usually more for enterprise level. That it could be your case, so that's why I'm gonna go through into this as well. But again, if you want to go deep on this, I really recommend he explains much better here in this book as well. Okay, so now that you know the 6 types of business model that you can choose for your SaaS, let's go over this one-page model canvas. So the first thing that you're gonna bring up here is try to think in the beginner of your in your beginner user, and try to understand beginner as someone that are just starting to use your product, or let's say not just your product, but all the types of product in your market. Let's say they never use a competitor as well. It's just a beginner. In our case, our users that are starting to build their store, to start making sales on the dropshipping market, and their first outcome, so the first thing that they want to achieve is make first sale. And what you need to understand is that probably what you want to do is you're gonna provide this outcome, this first outcome, for free. That's what you have in mind. For example, in our users, we give them everything that they need to make their first sale for free. And if they want to scale even more, this way they'll have to pay to move to our paid plan as well. So this is something just so you guys have in mind. I'm gonna explain more later as well. After you define your beginner outcome, now let's find out what are the 3 to 4 top challenges to achieve this beginner outcome. So the first one is they need to publish their store, right? To be able to make a sale, they need to publish their store. The second one is they need to have an offer. So pretty much they need to have a product that they will be selling inside their store. The other challenge for us specifically is they need to find a viral, what we call viral video. And again, you're gonna see that those challenges are very specific to your user, to your SaaS. So that's why you need to go deep into your market. I'm giving you guys here an example just so it'll be easier to you guys understand if you are in the right path or not. But you need to go deep into your market, into your SaaS, and into your users to try to find out this. So our other top challenge that our users have is they need to find videos so they can publish those videos and start bringing clients. And the last one is they need to run ads. Okay, so they are a beginner store. They're never gonna make sales like organic. It's very difficult. So they need to start running ads. So those are the 4 top challenges that they have to be able to achieve and make their first sale. So as you can see, it's difficult for them to make their first sale. Of course, that's why around 15% of our users make their first sale, because it's a difficult thing. It's not easy to do it. And what we need to do is we need to provide the right solutions for them in a free way so they can achieve this first outcome. And this will define what will be the best business model for you. And now what I want you to do is for each of those challenges that you just create, I need you to create solutions that will be your main solutions to help your users achieve this first sale. And you're gonna see that those will be your features, and this is what you're gonna understand. You're gonna add in your free plan, you're gonna add in your paid plan, or you're gonna add in your free trial, something like that we're gonna use in the future. So in our case, for example, for them to be able to publish their store, we have the store builder that build their store for them. For them to be able to create an offer, we have our landing page generator. For them to be able to find a viral video, we have our video library. And for them to be able to run ads, we have our community where we teach them how to run ads. So what I want you to do right now is try to find a simple solution that later you're gonna ask $1.ai to create for you, or some stuff you're gonna do by yourself, like create a community. I'm gonna teach you guys later as well how to create a community in this part right here. Okay, but let's get back here. Right now, what you need to find out is a solution for each challenge that you just write down right here. Okay, and now what you're gonna try to do is, I'm gonna try to be 100% transparent with you guys. What I would recommend you is trying to find out the best business model, find your competitor. So probably, and again, this is not always true, but why I'm saying this is, since with $1 it's very easy to switch between business model and test different things, what I'm recommending to you right now is try to find a competitor of you and see which one is his business model. So pretty much go on his pricing table, on his pricing page, and try to find out which business model are they using. They have a free trial model, so they give you access to the platform 7 days for free, and try to discover if they are an opt-in or if they are opt-out. They pretty much ask for credit card before the user start using the platform. If they have a usage-based free trial, or if they are a freemium platform. And I would recommend you to do the same thing. What we did here is, just so you can understand, our users can enter and they can create up, so they can build their store and they can create up to 3 offers. And after they build more offers, they enter into the subscription plans. And let's say if they create 3 offers, if they create 3 landing pages into our landing page generator, they are on the free plan. If they create 3 to 10 landing pages, they are into our $29 plan. If they create 10, more than 10 pages, they enter into our $49 plan. So that's why we choose users-based free trial, because some months they are using more our platform, in other months they are using less. So we decided, and in the end we saw that these are the best model. But what I want you to do right now, that's why I recommended you to take a look into your competitors, is because if later you can just change if it's not working. And I'm gonna show you guys later on how to take a look into the data to understand if it is working or not, your business model. You can just change to another business model. That's why I'm telling you guys that you don't need to worry a lot about this now. So just take a look into our competitors, see what they are doing, and try to do something very similar. Okay, you don't need to create a pricing page right now because we're gonna do this later. And the last thing that you just need to understand is what will be your call to action for those beginners. So for us is publish your store for free and start selling today. As you can see, those are 2 outcomes. So the first one is publish your store, and the second one is start selling today. So you will be able to start selling today. They will have all the features that they need to start selling today and for free. And of course, after they made their first sale, we're gonna give them more power, we're gonna give them more features, and because of this, they will upgrade to our paid plan. As you can see here, so we call here UBB. Look at this. It will not be all of your users that will upgrade to your SaaS. So we bring like 500,000 users, and 36,000 of them upgrade to our paid plan. And this is a normal one. And this is what you will have to always take a look and try to understand. But don't worry, I'm gonna show you guys later into the metrics class as well. So pretty much what I want you to do right now is scan this QR code here and try to fill out your 1-page model canvas so we can go on into the next class as well. Okay, so see you in the next class.